Well, finally, we have a new AI website builder for WordPress, and it is actually a bit too late given that there are so many companies in the past 1 or maybe 2 years offering the exact same service where people can build a website or launch a website with just a basic prompting. But I guess it is better late than never. While this is actually a very welcoming feature from WordPress, there are a few things that you need to know. So first of all, this AI website builder only works, or at least it will only create a website, a WordPress design using the full site editor theme or the blog theme. So it's not going to be working on a traditional WordPress theme. And secondly, which I think is the most important point, is that this website building capability is only available for WordPress.com users. So if you're using WordPress.org, which is the open source version of WordPress, this is not available, although there is actually a way to create a design on WordPress.com using this AI feature, and then you can copy the design to your WordPress.org website. It is not going to be perfect, but it is a possibility. So this is, for example, a site that I just created a moment ago using WordPress.com AI website builder. It is not the greatest design, but it is actually decent and it could save you days of work. And by the way, it created the image, the text as well, and not to mention, it will actually add more pages to your website. So it is not creating just one page, it will create multiple pages. And even if you're paying for the pro subscription in WordPress.com, you could create multiple pages using the AI feature. I think it's quite amazing. So I'm going to show you how you can build or design a WordPress website using this new feature. So first of all, you have to create a free account on WordPress.com. And then secondly, you can navigate to this URL, which I'm going to leave in the video description, WordPress.com/AI website builder. And now I'm going to just describe the kind of website that I want to build. So I'm going to write a prompt right here. I want to create a website for a dog food business, and it offers a 3 subscription plan for dog food ranging from $10 a month, $20 a month, and then $50 a month for free delivery of dog food. And I want the website to have mostly green colors, and I wanted to make up all the details like address, numbers, etc. Oh, by the way, I was using a dictation tool, which again, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. Okay, now this is the basic prompt. I'm going to send a message, and WordPress will actually ask you more details about what are other things that you want to include on the website. It usually will ask you about where is the business is located, or what is the name of the business, etc. So you have to answer that, or you can also just tell it to just make out some info and it will just create some fake information. So here it asked me to, could you provide the title of your dog food business? For example, if there is a name that you feature on your website. I don't really know, but I guess you can create one for me. Okay, I'm going to just ask AI to create one name. Perfect subs, kibble delivered. I guess this one. It is quite interactive. What is the physical location of your business so we can include on your site? If you prefer, I can make one up for you. Okay. Just create some fake business details as I'm going to change it later. Alright, let's send a message. So it's actually really nice that it will guide you on what are some details that you might want to include on the website. Okay, so this is the summary, perfect subs, this is the description, this is the address, and yes, create my website. This process will only take just less than 1 minute based on my testing, and hopefully it will actually follow my instructions and it will create a website that I would envision for a business that is selling dog food subscription. So I guess I'm going to wait until it finishes. Alright, it is creating the website and I can actually see the progress in real time, which is very interesting. Yeah, it's really amazing. Okay, there is this hero section at the top. There is the about us section. There is subscription, reviews, location, etc. Now, it is not exactly, you know, high end design, like it's not crazy beautiful design, but for a simple website for small businesses, I think it's actually decent. So you can actually click on this button to preview the full website if you want to see it on a full page. So this is what it looked like. I think it's really simple, and I would say, yeah, it looks professional. The color is consistent. It has green color. There are some photos. There is this about our section, contact section. Yeah, maybe I would like to change the photo to be something that looks better. But yeah, it's pretty good. Now let me go back, and here there is actually the WordPress Gutenberg on WordPress.com. So this is the Gutenberg editor, and if you want to modify the content, you can click the launch button, ready to launch. Just click continue, and it will ask you to buy the domain name, but this is optional. You can just click the button that says choose domain later, and I will just get it on my let's say height comparison. So as far as I know, it is actually not, you're not really have to pay to get this website, as far as I know. So I guess there may be something that I miss here. Okay, let's see this version. Click launch site, or maybe I can just go to dashboard. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot about that part. So you can just navigate to the dashboard, maybe. Right, so yeah, so you can go to the dashboard and then change the design or change something. Okay, there's something wrong with the loading time. Item that didn't exist, perhaps it was deleted. Okay, let me go back here to themes. Maybe there's something that I can do. And yeah, I think so. So if I go to, yeah, this is the dashboard of the website that I just created. So basically, you can just navigate to this dashboard. You can, click the preview window, and then you can click the, you can hover the cursor above this area, and then you can select themes or something like that. And I'm going to click editor because I want to copy the design. Okay, so it asked me again to choose a appliance. So maybe based on my understanding that this website is not really launched, although you can still access the dashboard, you can modify a few things, but the website is not ready for the public. Now I'm going to ignore this, and here again, this is actually Gutenberg editor. So I'm going to just click here, click this button, and then click copy blocks. And okay, I'm going to go to my wordpress.org website, and let's go to appearance and then editor. Yeah, we are trying to copy the theme illegally, maybe. So yeah, they are expecting us to pay, but given that we can access the structure of the website, it is possible to just copy the website and build it somewhere else. Okay, now I'm going to edit this section. Let's just open this, and I'm going to remove everything. Just click delete, and then delete. And I'm going to just press Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste all the design. So this is the result. Well, not exactly perfect, but you can see that the structure is definitely there. And maybe with just a few changes, you can make it look similar to the original design. Now there are some elements here which I believe is probably a feature or maybe a plugin that is being used by the website, by the original website. And I actually recommend you to check the what is the theme it is using, what is the plugin that is used by the website. So yeah, okay, it makes it difficult to go back. I guess I have to go to manually. Yeah, okay, so there are some sort of restrictions which I don't understand, because previously I tested this and it was fine, but now there is a lot of limitations. So I guess we have very limited access to the website. But all that you need to know is that this website, the original website on WordPress.com, is being built on top of a theme called Assembler. So that theme is not available on WordPress.org. It is a theme for WordPress.com only. So maybe there could be some discrepancies on what are designs or features that exist on that theme, and sometimes it might not available on the WordPress.org theme that you might be using. Like this one, there is some blocks that I cannot use because of it is not supported, or maybe I'm not using the right plugin. But overall, with some minor modifications, I can make it work. And when you are happy with the design, you can just click save, and now you will have a new website that was technically being built by WordPress.com, but now it is on WordPress.org. Again, not perfect, but at least it is possible. So if you find this video to be interesting, or maybe you want to see more tutorials video like for WordPress, then you can subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.